Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn on synchronization in DuckDuckGo browser app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to turn on synchronization in this application allows you to seamlessly access your browsing history, bookmarks, and other preferences across multiple devices. Syncing ensures that your browsing experience remains consistent and up-to-date whether you are using DuckDuckGo on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open DuckDuckGo browser app on your device. Okay, so now you can enter to the settings page by tapping the three dots here. Well, and then select this option. After that, you can choose this one. Okay, and then you can select this option. Okay, unlock the device. And then you can click turn on synchronization and backup here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn on synchronization in DuckDuckGo app on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.